C'è un grande cantiere italiano che ha una storia.
There is a major Italian shipyard with a long history of success that, over the decades, has become increasingly significant.
Costruire i suoi modelli.
Before even building its models, it developed production facilities and construction processes ideally suited to craft its yachts to the highest standard.
Così come è cresciuta la dimensione.
Just as the size of its yachts has grown, so has the refinement of style and the sophistication of aesthetic details.
E questa evoluzione.
This evolution has not concerned only select models, but the entire range.
E per darvi conferma di quanto è
To demonstrate this progress, today we are testing one of the smaller vessels,
questo A32,
the A32 Luxury Tender, a 10-metre high-end yacht. Its name clearly reflects the purpose of the boat, which in Italy falls under the pleasure craft category, meaning it does not require registration. The carbon T-top adds a distinctive element, giving the yacht a style that is at once sportier, more original and elegant. In short, you understand. I like it. On deck, there is ample space for everyone to feel comfortable.
A prua, il prendisole che.
At the bow, the sun pad, with the raised cushion against the deck house, is even more inviting. Access to this area is safe thanks to protected walk-around passages.
Anche nel vertice, la falchetta.
Even at the forward bow, the gunwale enhances safety while performing anchoring or mooring manoeuvres.
Gli elementi tecnici.
Technical elements are elegantly concealed. There is even a shower for rinsing the anchor and chain, or to refresh oneself. I particularly appreciate the elegance and comfort of the padded surround, the sun pad.
Anche a poppa ci si sdraia su un largo.
At the stern, there is a wide cushion for lounging, while still allowing enjoyment of the water.
La plancetta poppiera.
The aft swim platform is quite spacious, equipped with a system that enables gradual entry into the water and easy return on board. Additionally, the fold-down side panels creates a special visual effect. In the cockpit, one feels pampered.
Guardate come sono ben organizzati.
Notice the well-organised seating around the table, with appropriately high backrests. Cup holders are conveniently located, and the bar is directly opposite, fitted with a sink and cutting board. The drawer fridge is beneath the sofa.
Il supporto telescopico.
The telescopic table support allows adjustment to seat height, transforming the area into a sun pad.
I gavoni sotto i divani e la cala.
Lockers under the sofas and the central cockpit hatch provide useful storage space.
Farvi vedere dove hanno.
And I want to show you where the fender storage has been integrated.
Tra poco la.
Shortly, I will take it for a sea trial. In the meantime, observe this area. Independent, well-padded chairs with ventilated openings.
Pedana per rilassare le gambe.
A footrest for relaxation. Cup holders within easy reach, and above all, a dashboard optimized for speed and navigation control.
Tutto è coordinato. La ruota di timone che ha.
Everything is coordinated. The single-spoke steering wheel, the fiberglass finish, the upholstery fabric, and the handrail framing the windshield. Harmony is beauty.
Tutti gli acciai.
All stainless steel has a uniform matte black shadow finish.
Nel pozzetto sembra più larga.
The cockpit feels wider due to thin yet robust bulwarks.
Lo scafo mostra il suo.
The hull displays its character through colour, available in many options, and its form, a vertical stem only above the surface.
E un lunghissimo inserto.
A long dark insert conceals windows and portholes.
Sotto coperta si viene.
Below deck, the bright interior immediately impresses, with long windows offering a view of the water.
I divani sono.
Sofas are arranged around the diagonally placed central table.
Un meccanismo lo abbassa e un cuscino.
Which can be lowered and converted with a cushion into a double berth.
Anche in questo ambiente si avverte l'attenzione.
Even here, attention to materials and workmanship is evident, like in the larger yachts in the range.
A richiesta viene installato anche.
Optional air conditioning can be installed.
Frigo e microonde.
The cabin is equipped with a fridge and microwave. In the bathroom, the countertop and wash basin are made of lightweight marble. The shower is separate from the rest of the space. But that is not all. There is even a single berth. I started this boat test recalling the history of the Cranchi shipyard. And now I start the navigation test by recalling that this hull is the work of Aldo Cranchi, who designed all the boats produced by the shipyard. The artistic direction of the entire project was once again by Christian Grande, while engineering was handled by Cranchi's research and development department. I put my smartphone in there. There is a dedicated pocket with charging capability. Convenient, isn't it? For manoeuvring, the boat features a bow thruster and joystick. You can choose your preferred control method. For trim adjustment, Humphrey interceptors are part of the technical control and management system supplied by Volvo Penta. Speaking of, the engine options include 3 different setups. Volvo Penta D4 diesels with 270 horsepower, twin V6 petrol engines with 280 horsepower, as for this unit, or V8 petrol engines with 350 horsepower. For those who enjoy anchoring with maximum stability, the shipyard has allocated space for a gyroscopic stabilizer. This is a luxury vessel, even in terms of accessories. From the first acceleration, power is evident. Naturally, more horsepower delivers greater thrust, acceleration, speed and fun. But selecting the largest engine is not necessary. Do not linger on low-speed cruising. As trim improves with speed. Together with trim both handling and performance enhanced. At 20 knots, the range is 190 nautical miles. It's a calm day outside the Murano Lagoon. With light wind, the interceptors are not needed. I use them only during the transition to planing, but lateral correction is unnecessary now, so I disengage them. At 4,200 RPM, we're at 25 knots, and the range has not changed. It remains as calculated at 20 knots. This is thanks to improved efficiency and optimal incidence angle. So to sail for 1 mile, I use the same fuel, even if we're going faster. Like a real motor yacht, this boat delivers both the thrill of speed and agile, enjoyable handling. Pushing the yacht further at high cruising speed, we reach 32 knots. At these speeds, trim optimization is essential for peak performance. Slight trim adjustment and full throttle. We quickly exceed 36 knots, reaching 36.5. With twin petrol 350 horsepower Volvo Penta V8, the shipyard claims a top speed of 40 knots, though it could exceed this.
Credo che possa fare anche di più.
The Cranchi A32 Luxury Tender is not inferior to larger models in the range. While it is a 10-metre yacht and therefore smaller, it is refined and elegant, like few motor yachts in this category. Offering a close connection to the sea and the thrill of speed.